Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm experimenting with turkey wings. Since I have not cooked turkey before, I seasoned them like I'd usually season chicken. I googled cooking times and this is how it all went down. Please find the ingredients and quantities used in the description box as I will go straight into the process. If you'd like to know which method I prefer, stick around to the end of this video. I'm using turkey wing flats for this recipe. I've already cleaned them, so I placed them in a large bowl to season. In a small bowl, I combined garlic powder, onion powder, cumin powder, sweet paprika, vegeta, salt, and black pepper. I set this aside and score the turkey wings. This will ensure that the wings are well seasoned, resulting in tasty turkey wings because every part of the turkey absorbs the seasoning better. I add the spice mix onto the turkey wings and mix until every piece is well coated. Then I add extra virgin olive oil and mixed herbs and rub them in to coat the wings. I cover the bowl and let this marinate in the fridge overnight. On the next day, I start with the air fryer recipe. I spray the air fryer basket with oil and place half of the turkey wings in the basket. I air fry the wings at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes, flipping halfway through this time. For crispy skin, increase the temperature to 200 degrees in the last 2 to 3 minutes. At this point, the temperature was over 74 degrees, so I removed the wings from the air fryer and let them rest for a few minutes. Look at how crispy they turned out. They were delicious by themselves, but they would go well with chips, wedges, salad, fried rice, or mashed potatoes and gravy. Feel free to serve them with your preferred accompaniment. On to the second recipe, I boil the wings before deep frying them. I add a teaspoon of cayenne pepper to the wings, rub it onto them and place them in a pot. I place the pot on the stove, top the wings up with water, add a small onion, black peppercorns and salt. Then I bring this to a rapid boil, then reduce and simmer on low for an hour. I now remove the wings from the pot, set them aside and heat the oil in a deep fryer. Look at how rich this broth is. I might use it to cook some pilau rice. Once heated, I fry the wings for 5 minutes. I flip the wings and fry for another 5 minutes. The wings are cooked and have a crispy finish. Just like the first recipe, these were served by themselves but can be served with your preferred side. We all loved them, though we loved the air-fried ones more. If you like this recipe, give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment down below if you try it, and for easy recipes, hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new recipe uploads. This is all I have for you today. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye bye.